Alright, so the way I play it, to start off, was at 2 or 3, A string 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. That's all I do. If you want, you can have this one right here on the 3rd fret, this B string, and you can it makes this. I don't know if you can see that. 3, 2, 3rd fret, B string right here. But I don't do that until I play full chord. So I'll just go. Do that. Open. Hit this 3. And then just switch up literally 2 frets. 1, 2. That 5, 4, 0. Slide down. That's when the lyrics come in. Gardens filled with mirrors, the dark open wide, valley where disappeared. That's when like the full band comes in. That is just the beginning note. And then back to. And then that little trick horse thing. And with that hammer on and pull off, I don't do that. I don't know why they put that. It's a bend. That it's literally I just bend. That's what they do in the song. So I don't know why they put a pull off right there. It don't sound as good as so. What was that? What was I doing? Oh yeah. So it's just that same chord, an open chord, except you want to have your pinky on that 4th fret of the G string. So instead of it's just that 3, 2, 4, and then that pattern. It's that hold up. Yeah, that pattern. So you want to hit 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3, then open, and that G string or that A string. So 3, 2, 4, 3, open. And then that part, that 4, 5, 4 part, you want to hit the open on that D string. And then instead of doing that, I would just bend it. That's what they do in the song. So 3, 2, 4, 3, open. And then the rest is just open on the A, open on the G, open on the A again. So that combined sounds. Open on the A, open on the G, open back on the A, and then you want to hit open on the E. So it sounds. All open. Open on the A, open on the G, open back on the A, and open on the E. And the last part is, after you hit that open on the E, you want to hit the 2, the 2nd fret, on the A string, 2nd fret on the A string. Then the last thing you want to do is on the B string, all the way on the B string before the E, second to last string, just hit the 3rd fret and open. You can just pull off, or you can pick it, but I'll just pull off. So when you start from the open part, I'll open the open on the A, open on the G, open on the A again, open on the E, 2nd fret on the A, and then on the B string. So the whole thing sounds. Whoops. Damn it. Yeah. I don't know why I keep fucking up, but yeah. 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, open, pull off on the 3-0. Like 4 times. And I think they actually palm mute that part. But yeah, that's basically that, and then the rest of the song, it's that C beginning note, but you could play it with that extra 3rd fret on the B string. Oh wait, yeah. Hold up. Oh, E major 7. Okay. Yeah, so that. Yeah, so that you can play that open. So come with me, I'll buy you a raincoat. G. Stay with me, I'm sick of the shame. E major 7. So it's just literally that. This one string on the 2nd fret on the A and everything else open. And then back to the C. And the A. I need exactly right. It sounds weird. I know it's an A, but I don't know exactly. Maybe like an A. Yeah. Back to you. Steep into my system. Wish hearts on fire. The things we think were missing. 'Cause it's so fun. Love, 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 yeah, that's basically it. So I hope that helps.